एवरीवन, मैं हूँ श्वेता।
मेरा नाम इंद्र और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
तो अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं 10 थिंग्स आई लव अबाउट पाकिस्तान। तो आइए देखते हैं।
चलिए देखते हैं।
If you have been to Pakistan even once, you know it's impossible not to fall in love with this wonderful country. Let's explore 10 fascinating
ये
things.
देखा था
हाँ।
कोई बंदी का वीडियो दिखा।
Number 10. Friends of Friends system. In Pakistan, if you have a problem, you just have to ask a friend for a solution. And then a friend will ask his friend. And then a friend of a friend will ask his friend. And eventually you will solve your problem down the chain. Due to my rough estimate, around 55% of solutions were delivered through friend of a friend system. Number 9. Pakistanis take pride in their cultural heritage. People rest on charpai, a traditional bed used for relaxing or sleeping. Women enjoy wearing adrak, a block-printed cloth, mostly made in Sindh. And every third man in Pakistan wears the Peshawari chapels. The rumor is they're very comfortable. Number 8. Pakistani truck art. Pakistani truck art is not just a decoration. It's a method of storytelling. It shares poetry, messages, Sufi teachings, and much more. The designs, often made by hand by talented artists, can be seen on vehicles nationwide, including tuk-tuks and buses. Truck art is a moving billboard that carries important messages from one part of the country to another.
Nice.
Number 7.
Salwar kameez.
Shalwar kameez is a traditional attire of both men and women. The outfit consists of a pair of trousers, shalwar, and a tunic, kameez, that is usually paired with a scarf, dupatta. It's a comfortable wear, both in the heat as it protects you from the sun, but also during the cooler times. Shalwar kameez will help you to blend in with the locals. Pakistani people see foreigners wearing shalwar kameez as an act of culture appreciation and celebration. Number 6. Respect again as a foreign woman. Despite popular beliefs that Pakistan is extremely dangerous for solo female travelers, in my 40 days of discovering this breathtaking country, I have been treated with utmost respect. Of course, you should exercise common sense and caution. And here are my top tips for staying safe if you want to travel to Pakistan. Number 1. Dress like a local. Number 2. Keep your distance. This means no physical affection, no hugs, just handshakes. Number 3. Trust your gut. And number 4. Don't drink tap water. Please don't drink tap water. Be respectful to the culture and you should be perfectly fine. Number 5. Incredible.
Landscapes के तो काफी वीडियोस देखे हैं.
Pakistan is home to world's most beautiful mountain ranges.
Wow.
7 of the world's highest peaks are located here. It's also home to the most dangerous mountain in the world, K2, which has the highest fatality rate of 25%. That means out of 4 travelers who try to descend this dangerous, deadly mountain, only 3 come back home.
Oh.
Just take your breath in
and breath out.
And breath out. And enjoy the stunning beauty of Pakistan. Number 4. Kulfi. Kulfi is a traditional Pakistani ice cream with nutty flavor and condensed milk. It has a perfect balance of sweetness and can be found anywhere across the country. The kulfi in Peshawar was very enjoyable. Number 3. Rich jewelry tradition. Pakistan produces a large amount of precious stones such as emerald, rubies and sapphires. Both men and women like to wear rings, and this place offers a large amount of choices, both of designs and colors. I collect silver rings all around the world, and Pakistani rings are one of my favorite. This ring, with lapis lazuli, a luxurious stone mined from Afghanistan, was created by hand in Peshawar. For me, it will always be a symbol of resilience and a great memento from my first ever documentary project. Number 2. Never ending
Never-ending
surprise.
Surprises.
In Pakistan, you never know what's around the corner. One thing for sure, this country will never fail to surprise you. Here, I have danced wild dances with Sufis, shared delicious meals with kids, crossed the mountains on a motorbike. I felt seriously sick here as well. If you're not afraid of exiting your comfort zone, Pakistan can be a breathtaking, adventurous
ये
destination.
मजा आया करने का.
Yes, you will take cold showers. Yes, you will get a lot of attention. Yes,
Fun.
you have to be very careful about what you eat and drink. But man, this country will steal your heart away. It's top tier for adventurous traveling. Number 1, huge huts. Hospitality in Pakistan, it isn't strong. It's overwhelming.
It's my pleasure you will come here.
Locals go out of the way to make sure you're well fed, you're comfortable, and all your problems are being solved. It's my second time in Pakistan, and it's the second time when I can't close my suitcase from the overwhelming amount of gifts coming my way.
Nice.
If you
उमस
go to
बनाया था.
Pakistan, you're not a tourist. You are
The
a
guest.
guest. And locals try their absolute best to give you an unforgettable hospitality experience. Visit Pakistan.
Hey,
Pakistan, and I hope you enjoyed the list. If you would like to support my documentary work, you can contribute through Buy Me a Coffee. Sharing stories that matter is my passion. Link is in the description, and thank you. Hi, I am Irina Mitska, and if you like my Pakistan videos, please like, comment, share, and follow for more. In the next episode,
अच्छा.
join me for a
Oh.
magical wedding in northern
ये भी देखना है मेरे
Pakistan
को.
to find out what is a Pakistani wedding feel like? Why is the bride crying on her own wedding? And how do you dance like a Hunzai person?
Hunzai
Tune in for the next episode on Thursday next week, 5 p.m. Pakistan time.
क्या बात है, बहुत
कल्चर
मस्त
if you
है।
देखें तो काफी सिमिलर ही है अपना. पहले एक ही देश हुआ करता था, अभी अलग अलग हो गया, लेकिन कल्चर तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है.
सेम ही है।
खाना पीना रहना सहना सब तरीका सेम ही है, लेकिन वही मजा आता है देखने को आपको. पर मेरे को भी वो इंटरेस्ट है वेडिंग देखने.
वेडिंग ना अलग स्टाइल का
Yes.
दिखा हम लोग ने। लोग का बोलते हैं ना वो डांस वांस भी कर रहे थे, थोड़ा गलत
Yes.
लाइक बोलते हैं ना उनका वो स्टाइल,
थोड़ा उनका कल्चर वाला सब, लेकिन अच्छा, काफी अच्छा वीडियो था, काफी चीजें सिमिलर भी थी ऑफ कोर्स.
बहुत सिमिलर जी एक्चुअली।
जो सलवार कमीज, कुल्फी, चारपाई, काफी कुछ. काफी कुछ. It was very nice. पर अच्छे वीडियो लग रहे मेरे को इसके. और देखने इसके ये देखने सारे के साथ जो उसने आई थिंक 9 एपिसोड्स बनाए हैं इसने.
कुछ
जो एक वीडियो में देखा.
देखेंगे धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे टाइम मिले
Yes.
वैसे।
तो गाइस ऐसे ही और सजेस्ट करते रहिए.
तो मीनवाइल टेक केयर।
बाय बाय.